Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Galaxy Tech Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Farida Semeshia, and today I'll be presenting on computer programming. Computer programming, also known as coding, refers to the process of writing instructions for computing devices and systems. A computer program translates those instructions into a language that computers can understand. Computer programmers use many different languages to command computers. Popular programming languages include Python, JavaScript, Java, and the C languages. Programming involves tasks such as analysis, generating algorithms, profiling algorithms' accuracy, and resource consumption, and the implementation of algorithms in a chosen programming language. Different programming languages support different styles of programming. A choice of language used is subject to many considerations, such as company policy, suitability to task, or individual preference. The first generation programming language, 1GL, is a machine-level programming language. That means no translator was used to compile or assemble the first generation language. The second generation programming languages contain human-readable notations that can be further converted to machine language using an assembler. An assembler converts assembly language instructions to machine-level instructions. Assembly language instructions have the form of initials or shortened words that represent microcomputer functions. Third generation programming languages are much more machine independent and more programmer friendly. Fourth generation languages consist of statements that are similar to statements in the human language. They are used mainly in database programming and scripting. Examples of these languages include Perl, Python, Ruby, SQL, and MATLAB. Fifth generation programming languages are the programming languages that have visual tools to develop a program. Examples of fifth generation languages include Mercury, OPS5, and Prolog. In conclusion, programming languages can be said to be the basis of software development. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe to all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.